everyone, my name is Callie Sumlin. I am the PR and Marketing Manager for Big Red F Restaurant Group. And today I'm going to walk you through how to make Jack's Fish House's Seared New England Sea Scallop Kit for 2. It is so easy, anyone can do it. Today we're cooking these delicious, sustainable sea scallops. They are from New Bedford, Massachusetts, and they are absolutely delicious. And we're going to cook those with roasted squash, and this has been pre-cooked a little bit so that it'll cook nice and quickly at home for us today. And with that, we're having some whipped potatoes. This is the cream and butter mixture we're going to mix into our whipped potatoes. And then to top it all off, to add a nice little bit of crunch, we have Chef Sheila's pepita crumble right there. Okay, so we're gonna start by popping our squash into an oven. So you wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we're just gonna let this kind of warm up and finish cooking for about 20 minutes. Next, we're gonna warm up our potatoes. So you're gonna grab your potato mixture and put it in a small pan on your stove. And then we're gonna get that over medium-low heat. We don't wanna put this over too high of a heat here. And we're gonna add our milk and our creamy, milky, buttery mixture. Looks delicious. And we're just gonna kind of let that hang out over really low heat. We don't want it to scorch, stirring it occasionally, and it'll be nice and warm when we're ready to plate. Okay, so next we're going to season our scallops. So you're gonna transfer them from the container they came in to paper towel. We want them to be really dry when we put them in the pan so that they get a nice sear. And you're just gonna season them with some salt and pepper. You wanna do both sides. The best thing about cooking scallops is they cook so quickly. They will literally sear for just a couple minutes on each side and they'll be absolutely perfect. So now we're gonna get our pan that we're gonna cook our scallops in really hot. I'm using cast iron. My cast iron pan is pretty well seasoned. You can use a non-stick pan. If you have a carbon steel pan, that would probably be ideal, but we're working with what we got. Now that our pan is nice and hot, we're gonna hit it with some oil. We're looking to do about 2 ounces of oil. I'm using grapeseed. You just want an oil that you can cook with pretty high heat on, so grapeseed, avocado, neutral vegetable oil, all would work great. Get that around the pan, and we want the oil to get so hot that it is almost smoking, and when it is, we're gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Okay, so our oils, you can see the smoke is beginning, so we're gonna turn the heat down to medium, and we're gonna begin to cook our scallops. And we're gonna do this in batches so that they get a really great sear on them. So we're gonna do about 5 at a time. And those are gonna cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. We're really looking to get some great color on there before we flip them. And they have a tendency to stick if you try and flip them too early, so let them get some nice brown color before you flip. Okay, and these are all done, so I'm gonna get them all pulled off. That is really the color you're looking for. Okay, we are now ready to plate. So I'm gonna start going down with the whipped potato here. And my plating skills are nowhere near as good as Chef Sheila's, but hopefully it's gonna taste as good. And so there's my potato. And then I'm gonna go in with some roasted squash here. And you can see there's a nice medley of delicata, butternut, and a little bit of squash puree on the bottom there. So make sure you get lots of that. And then our scallops. So I'm just gonna place these on top of our potato puree. Again, my plating skills are not the best, but it's gonna be delicious. And then we're gonna top it with our delicious pepita crumble. And this is a mix of puffed quinoa and just some really nice crunchy, delicious flavors there. Okay, and I'm gonna finish with just a little pinch of flaky salt because I'm extra like that, and we're done. We're ready to eat. Okay, decided to try one of these scallops. I'm gonna get a little potato puree, a little of the pepita crumble, a little squash. This is so delicious. The scallops are sweet and tender, and the squash is perfectly cooked. Pepita crumble adds some nice crunch. Yeah, that's a pretty great dinner for two.